Hello dear fans. What is cybernetics? Cybernets and governor. What can be in common between these two words, which sound and are spelled differently? Meanwhile, they actually mean the same thing. After all, the cybernets of the Greek philosopher Plato and the governor of the Romans is translated as manager, ruler over people. Cybernetics as a science emerged a long time ago. However, it developed unevenly, for quite a long time, seeking the recognition of scientists who were critical of the postulates that the science of managing people adhered to. The mathematician and physicist André-Marie Ampère, in his famous work Essays on the Philosophy of Sciences, defined cybernetics as a political science. However, over the next centuries, interest in this science was completely lost, and the word itself for some time disappeared from the horizon not only of ordinary people, but also of the scientific community. Cybernetics received a new birth at the moment when technological progress came close to the problem of information processing. In the middle of the 20th century, several factors predetermined the prospects for the development of cybernetic science. First, J. von Neumann invents the SME, and in 1948 Robert Wiener publishes his book Cybernetics, or Control and Communication in Living Organisms and Machines. In this book, the scientist defines cybernetics as a science that studies control as a general mechanism inherent in man, animals and machines. A powerful leap in the development of computing devices, the enormous progress of scientific disciplines related to mathematics and physics, also served as a springboard for cybernetics. The term itself after some time lost its broad, natural scientific meaning, concentrating only in the areas of purely physical, mathematical, and informational. It is not surprising that the term cybernetics was soon gradually replaced by the more precise and highly specialized word informatics. The renaissance of cybernetics is associated with the Internet, which gradually penetrates into all areas of modern life, and robotics, the development prospects of which are becoming clearer. Scientists believe that the time of cybernetics is still ahead. It will be the very link that will connect humans, the environment, and intelligent cybernetic systems. Thanks for watching.